Hey, welcome to Karthik Tech Solution channel. Today in this video session, I am gonna to discuss about C style loop, C style for loop. In earlier days, I given many more example by different logic which script written by simple way and called by the very first for loop. When I started loop, I do remember I explained about loop and how many type of loops we do have and for which situation and for which logic which loop help we can take, right? And you can say for which logic we can take the loop. Based on that we can write the program, we can write the script, and we can execute it. It's all about depends on your script, on your logic. Based on that logic you can apply the loop. If you do think it's a very easy, so that you can take help of for loop. If it's different advanced level or you want to get the information different way, that time you can go for C style. So this is the difference from in between for loop and C style for logical. And practically let's go ahead to write some script based on C style for loop, applying different logic, and then we'll execute, so that we'll come to know how it work out, right? And how things can be done, right? So I do remember there are few script I written earlier days. I think that script I do have now. Let me wait. Well, so that script is not available. So what I'm gonna to do now, I'm gonna to write a script based on this one. Directly filter the XFL 1 to 10. So what I'm gonna to do now, I'm gonna to write something for loop example.sh. and to give x value. Suppose I given something till 10, or you can think something like I can give like this way. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll go for do, then I'll put the value. Okay, echo, I'll call that value. $x. Then I want to sleep system for 3 seconds. Then I'll down that loop. Then I'll save it. Is going to give me answer so and so way, right? 1, then it will sleep for 3 seconds, then it will give 2, then it will sleep for 3 seconds, then it will give 3, then it will sleep for 3 seconds, then it will give 4, then it will sleep for 3 seconds, then it will give 5, then it will sleep for 3 seconds, then it will give 6, then it will sleep for 3 seconds, then it will give 7, then it will sleep for 3 seconds, then it will give 9. Like that way it will give till 10. It will, then condition is false, it will come out, right? So this is what thing is happening. Now what I'm gonna to do, what I'm gonna do now, I want to do the same thing. I want to apply the same logic and I want to get the answer, but I want to write the script by C step, not for, by C step. For was our very first loop, right? Now I'll write C style for loop, C style for loop, and I apply the same logic. Then we'll go ahead to execute this script so that we'll come to know whether it's working or not, right? Before writing script, I like to request to everyone, please try to understand each thing when I'm mentioning. Don't make this stuff from your end, okay? Even though if any confusion is there after written script by me, I like to request you, please raise your hand, write comment in comment box. Once I get your question or query, your doubt, your bug, whatever it, I'll reach you as soon as and I'll fix your issues and I'll make you understand, okay? But that can happen if you will subscribe my channel and that is true. For subscribing one YouTube channel, you are not going to pay anything else, right? Free of cost, you are getting response from someone, you are able to upgrade your skill set so that you are going to do subscribe the channel, nothing else. And moreover, from whom you are getting response, from whom you are getting help, obviously you should appreciate, right? Because I do that. Anyway, let's start to write a script which is based on this logic, and I want to write the same by C style for loop. So what I wanted to write here, I'll write for C style, C style loop.sh. But before that, what I'm going to mention, how it's going to work, well, let me write so that it will be easy for understanding what I'll give. Okay, this is the C style. This is the C style. Is nothing but when we are going to write like this way, when I'm going to write something in between double square bracket, sorry, double round bracket, that is called C style, nothing else. and syntax should be like that. What syntax I given here? X equal to 1. It means my x value is 1. It means my x value is 1 here. Then what is saying? X is less than 10. X is less than 10. It means if my x value is 1, then obviously it's less than 10. Then if my x value is 2, then obviously it's less than 10, right? If my x value is 3, then obviously it's less than 10. It means till 9 it's less than 10. Then when it's going to reach 10, then it's equal to. Then when it's going to more than 10, then it's wrong. Then it's greater than, right? So our condition is not going to apply. Even though if it's 10 also, our condition is not going to apply. It will give 10 and then it will stop the response, right? Because exact on over that, the same number is not coming. The different number is coming. Instead of 1 0, it's coming 1 1. So condition is not going to reach. Condition is false. It will come out. This is what the meaning. Now I will make you understand what is the use of x plus plus. X plus plus is nothing but, come here. So the syntax is, it is like that. X equal to x plus x equal to x plus 1. X plus, it means x plus x. X plus 1 or x plus x. However, it's up to you. Now take an example. If my very first x value is 1, okay, then here what you need to answer would be x 1 plus 1. So how much it would be? How much? It's 2, right? Now here first x value is how much here? 2. It will consider here itself. It will consider here. It will not go for very first value. It will not go for very first value. This syntax is nothing but it will work out like that way. It will work out like that way. How? We given the very first value is x. Okay. Then it will count like this way. Then it will respond like that. Then it will respond. This middle syntax will work like that way. It means after converting x value instead of 1 2, then it will take care. This syntax is going to work. Very first syntax is going to work for the very first line, and from second line onwards till 10, this syntax is going to work. How it will work? It will work the way of addition. Then now x value is 2. Now x value is 2. So what? X 2 plus 1. How much now? 3. Now again x value is 3 plus 1. How much now? 4. So it's going to work like this way. It's going to work like this way. Now this is what all about it. So I'm not going to bother about this thing. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to comment this. So here what you need to do, how you will write, you need to write do, then you need to call the value of x, then for you need to make it down here, then set the file. See, now it's working. Now it's giving us response 1 to 10, right? It's giving the response 1 to 10. Or if you want, you can write by different way. You can come here, you can make it sleep for 3 seconds, then save it. So it will give 1, then it will sleep 3 seconds, then it will give 2. Like that way, it's going to reach till 10. So how it will work? By that x plus plus, it's adding, then it's responding like that way. Okay. So it's 1 to 10. Now, and there are also different way we can reverse the mathematical value. So as of now, we are talking about all those things, not all those things, maximum things. I mean, out of 100%, I give an example, 70% is the mathematical value, right? Why I am giving mathematical value, which will help for freshers or newcomers to make them understand the proper way. If you are expert, then it will be yeah, it's good to brush up your skill set. And also I'd like to request you, please go through it. It will brush up your skill set. And second thing, you'll come to know when I'm writing the script based on different logic, right? Well, so this is all about the C style, which is I mentioned the very first script. Apart from this, I'm going to upload many more videos which is related to the same C style, so that it will be understanding for you. Because if I'll write all the script one way, I don't think so you have that much time to watch that video, right? And also, you know, it's a script. It's not like to execute one command, game is over, right? So it's script. You need to use your memory so that it will be understanding for you. And at a time writing multiple script, I don't think so that is the proper way for learning. Take rest. You know, study yourself based on my script. When you are watching a script, once you watch, understand each and everything. By taking that steps, by taking that syntax, apply new logic, and based on that syntax which have you taken, write the script and execute it, so that it will come to know is working or not. And yeah, that's true. If you will write different script based on different logic, by taking my syntax, it will be the good way for upgrading yourself. Well, much more for much more videos, I'd like to request you, please do like, share and subscribe my channel, so for that you'll get notification while I'm uploading the videos. Thanks to watching this video.